Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Smog token. Now the Smog token is a brand new token. You can find their webpage at smogtoken.com. We're going to go over the information on the greatest SOL airdrop of all time token. That's what they claim anyways here. We're going to go over the Smog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Smog token, you can find their webpage, like I said, at smogtoken.com. Over there, you can find all their socials, like their X, their Twitter, that I'm going to put on the screen right here, at Smog token. They also have a Discord you could join. They have a Telegram at Smog token. They have a link to Birdeye and Dex Screener where you can see the charts. This token is on the Solana blockchain. But yes, the tagline here is the greatest SOL airdrop of all time. And on their webpage, there is a button. It says sign up to airdrop. And then there's a button, it says buy Smog. So you could buy Smog off of Birdeye, it says here. It'll take you right to Birdeye. And I was looking at their Twitter earlier, and it says they're also live on Jupiter. They're possibly live on Raydium too as well. I didn't see that yet. But basically how you could get this token here, it says you could, well, first of all, you just fund your Trust wallet, your MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, your Phantom wallet, whatever wallet you use for SOL, fund it with Solana, go into the dApps, find Jupiter, and then trade your SOL for the Smog token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, smogtoken.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but it says buy Smog to enter the airdrop. So this is the big incentive here. So buy and hold Smog tokens to earn airdrop points and qualify for a historic airdrop coming soon. Smog is live on Jupiter, and it says follow the link below, powered by Web3 payments. So this is all on their webpage. You can also change the language if you want to do that. They have a light paper you could review here. So it says Smog token unleashing the dragon's fire. A fair launch, trading adventure, and the greatest airdrop in crypto history. In the realm of the cryptoverse, where dragons of innovation soar, a new force emerges, the mighty Smog token, a crypto meme coin burning its path on the Solana blockchain. Rising from Jupiter's forge, the genesis of the Smog token. In the ethereal realm of decentralized finance, behold the rise of the Smog token, a fiery meme coin ready to breathe life into the crypto space. Born from the celestial forge of Jupiter, Smog token promises a fair launch and an unparalleled airdrop spectacle. Journey to Jupiter, bagging Smog tokens in the fairest of launch. Embark on a journey to Jupiter where Smog tokens' fair launch awaits. Acquire Smog tokens, the most rewarding token on the Solana blockchain, and fill your treasure bags. The launch is a testament to the democratic spirit of crypto, ensuring everyone has an equal opportunity to join the Smog community. Trading amidst dragon's fires, the Smog token's experience is unveiled. As the dragon's fires burn, so does the trading fever of Smog. Buy and hold your tokens to not only witness the rise, but to earn airdrop points that will remain shrouded in mystery until further into the airdrop. So maybe they're not even telling you like how much you're going to be airdropped or how much they are airdropping in total. It's kind of like a surprise, but they claim it's going to be big, so we'll find out. The Smog community bounty beckons those who dare to traverse the flames, promising rewards for the bravest holders. So the airdrop extravaganza, the unparalleled glory of Smog. Prepare for a spectacle like no other, the greatest airdrop in history distributed on the Solana blockchain. Smog token holders shall be showered with shiny Smog tokens, a testament to their loyalty and resilience against the fiery challenges of the crypto world. Defying the flames, Smog token is a symbol of crypto resilience. No meme coin can survive the fiery flames of Smog. Those who attempt to challenge the mighty Smog shall be engulfed in the dragon's wrath. Smog is not just a token, it's a symbol of resilience, strength, and an unstoppable force for the crypto community. And lastly, Epic Ventures concluding the saga of the Smog token. In the midst of the crypto storm, Smog token rises as a beacon of innovation, promising a fair launch, exciting trading opportunities, and the grandeur of the greatest airdrop in history. Join the Smog community, brave the flames, and let the Smog tokens rain upon you as a reward for the courage in the face of the dragon's fire. May your journey in the cryptoverse be as epic as the legend of Smog. So, I mean, obviously this is just like a meme token. And it says, one meme coin to rule them all. The mighty Smog reigns over the crypto battlefield, incinerating its foes as the dragon fire burns. The greatest airdrop in history gathers pace. No other meme coin can survive the fiery flames. Buy and hold Smog to gain airdrop points and vanish your enemies. Now, it's a fair launch, it says. It's going to be on Jupiter, so it doesn't mention Raydium, so maybe, you know, don't even try Raydium. Just go to Jupiter if you are going to get this token. It also links you to Birdeye. So, yeah, basically, well, they've been featured in a lot of news articles. News, BTC, Techipedia, CoinDesk, Bitcoin is crypto news, etc. There's a total supply of 1.4 billion tokens. 30% of the tokens go to, or 50% of the tokens go to marketing. 35% of the tokens airdrop. 10% central exchange listings. 5% DEX liquidity. They have a roadmap on here, starting with airdrop research, website building, token deployment, social activation, fair launch, airdrop begins, social dominance, burn opportunities, question mark, more airdrops, question mark. So they're going to do their airdrop in phase 3. And then, yeah, so that's basically it. Is their airdrop seems to be the only utility here. But yeah, go check out this project, smogtoken.com. Been featured in a lot of news articles lately. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.